At the end of the video, you'll find a link to a resource that will walk you through the whole process of starting an LLC step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. Setting up a limited liability company, LLC, is a popular choice for many entrepreneurs due to its flexibility and liability protection. However, there are some common mistakes that people make during the setup process. Here are a few, along with tips on how to overcome them. 1. Choosing the wrong state. Each state has its own regulations and tax implications for LLCs. Some states are more business-friendly than others in terms of taxes, filing fees, and regulations. Researching and selecting the right state for your LLC formation is crucial. Many entrepreneurs opt for Delaware or Nevada due to their favorable business laws, but the best choice depends on your specific circumstances. 2. Not drafting an operating agreement. An operating agreement is a crucial document that outlines the ownership structure, member responsibilities, voting rights, profit-sharing arrangements, and other important details about how the LLC will be managed. Not having an operating agreement can lead to confusion, disputes, and legal issues down the line. Even if your state doesn't require one, it's wise to create an operating agreement to clarify the terms of your business. 3. Mixing personal and business finances. One of the main benefits of an LLC is its liability protection, which separates your personal assets from your business liabilities. However, this protection can be compromised if you mix personal and business finances. To maintain the integrity of your LLC's limited liability status, open a separate business bank account and use it exclusively for business transactions. 4. Failure to obtain necessary permits and licenses. Depending on the nature of your business and your location, you may need to obtain various permits, licenses, or registrations to operate legally. Failing to do so can result in fines, penalties, or even the forced closure of your business. Research the requirements in your industry and location, and make sure to obtain all the necessary permits and licenses before you start operating. 5. Neglecting tax obligations. While an LLC offers pass-through taxation, meaning the business itself is not taxed, the profits and losses are reported on the owner's personal tax returns. However, LLC owners still have certain tax obligations, such as paying self-employment taxes and filing annual reports. Make sure to understand your tax responsibilities and comply with all federal, state, and local tax laws to avoid fines and penalties. 6. Ignoring ongoing compliance requirements. After forming an LLC, there are ongoing compliance requirements such as filing annual reports, paying state fees, holding regular meetings, and maintaining proper records. Ignoring these requirements can result in your LLC falling out of good standing with the state, which could lead to fines, loss of liability protection, or even dissolution. Stay organized and keep track of all deadlines to ensure ongoing compliance. To overcome these mistakes, thorough research and planning are essential. Consider seeking advice from legal and financial professionals to ensure that you set up and operate your LLC correctly from the beginning. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a link to a resource that will walk you through the whole process of starting an LLC step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free.